Hi, I'm gonna show you how to quickly and easily fix your lasso collar if it's starting to fray a little bit. You will need your collar, some scissors, pliers, small brush, a little bit of water, a lighter, and some regular Elmer's white glue. So to start off with, you want to brush off your collar just a little bit to get all the hairs out and dirt so you can better see what you're working with. Once that's done, I want to just go back a bit and say that this collar right here is one of Kira's first collars. It's almost a year old. I haven't done anything to it, so I'm just gonna take this opportunity to fix it a little bit. Have maybe a couple of strand hairs like this from the cotton, maybe a little bit of bulk like that too. The first thing you want to do is cut the strands really close to the collar. Then you want to put a little bit of Elmer's glue on your water, maybe just a drop, not much. Remember, just a little bit of water, just to make it not as dense. And you want to get that glue and put it right where you cut. That will help keep that strand together and not start fraying again. So that's the easiest way to fix small strands coming out. If you want a more permanent fix, what you want to do, say like this chunk right here, if you want to get rid of it, you want to go ahead and cut just the bigger ones. You don't want to cut all of them. Cut them in half like that. And now what you want to do is you want to unwind those strands all the way to the source, which would be the knot. You can do this one of two ways. You can grab the pliers and you grab all the knots and push them to the other side, like so. See? Once you get to the source where the knot is, you can then just grab your scissors and cut really close to the knot. That way it will never fray again. And you see, your collar looks good again. You want to do the same with the other part. You want to pull it tight. Make sure you grab all the cut strings with your pliers and push them to the other side. Once on the other side, pull them out. And you repeat this process all the way through. See, once you reach the other side again, you should have a long strand like this. Again, cut really close to the knot, and that's it. Your collar should look a lot better. So just to recap really quick, if it's only one hair of strand coming out, or just a couple of hairs coming out, I recommend you cut really close to the collar and with water and a little bit of Elmer's glue, brush it right where you cut. That will help keep those strands together and avoid them from keep unwinding. If it's a bigger chunk like the one we just did, then yes, go ahead and cut it in half and then unwind it all the way to the knot. It's not hard, it's really simple. Another thing I saw on your collar is maybe you have a lot of dog hair mixed with a little bit of the cotton. You know how cotton gets like that, and you want it to look a lot cleaner. Then you can get a lighter, preferably one of those where you can adjust the height of the fire. Get one of with the plus and minus sign. Put it all the way to the plus sign, so the fire is a lot higher. And what you're gonna do is, since cotton doesn't burn like plastic, you can actually clean your collar quite easily by just applying a little bit of fire to it. Move it around. Don't let the fire sit on one place, otherwise you will burn your collar. But if you just quickly move the fire around, it will burn all the dog hair and all the strands coming out that you don't like. And then maybe just go like this, and your collar will look a lot sharper. You can do this every now and then when the color is getting a little worn. It looks a little, I don't know, like the picture you sent me. So yeah, see, right here we have another solo string. We'll just go ahead and cut that one really close. Put a dot of glue on it, and that's it. Also, if you wash your collar on the washing machine, put it on a delicate cycle or cotton cycle. If the collar gets wet and dry a couple of times, it will get a lot tighter too. Don't put it on the drying machine, just hang it outside and let it dry by itself. I hope this small video helps you out. All the best.